Hey guys, it's Kevin from Dynamite. Just a quick update on my F100 project. There it is right there. I've pretty well got my driveline figured out. So this is a 04 truck motor, Hemi. I'm probably not using this one per se. I am getting one rebuilt at the moment, but it's pretty well a carbon copy of this one. Just got this one up on the engine lift here. We're going to try to stab her in and kind of figure out some mounts and stuff. I just picked up, this is a rebuilt 727 transmission, 3-speed, automatic valve body, forward gears. That's the torque converter that goes with it. Again, the 727s will bolt right up to the Hemi, same bolt pattern. Now I'm by myself today, so I'm just going to set the camera down on the tripod over there and we'll see if we can get these two stabbed together. Okay, so I got the motor and trans kind of stabbed in there, and I can see a couple problems right off the bat. Looks like I'll need a oil filter relocate, and I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do about the power steering. It's hitting right on there. Chances are probably the easiest thing to do would be just lift the motor up a bit. That'll probably clear both of those things. It's not perfectly ideal, but it'll probably get the job done. As far as the transmission goes, it looks like it fits okay. It's not getting impeded by any of the cross members or anything. But if we lift the motor, we might have to kind of modify that one a bit there, just to get something where we can mount it. All in all, I'm okay with how this has gone, and I knew it was going to be some modifications involved, obviously, with the Hemi going in a Ford. So yeah, I think it's a good first step, and we'll kind of go from here. All right, guys, remember to subscribe to us on YouTube and watch for the next video.